Mr. Speaker. My question is to the Attorney General. Is it government policy to exempt the holders of customary marine title from the application of the Resource Management Act 1991 and provide the holders with the sole right to give or deny a Resource Management Act permission right, with no right of appeal or objection against the decision, as described in Gully's newsletter update October 2010 on the Marine and Coastal Area Takutai Moana Bill?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
No.
The Honourable Rodney Hyde.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Is Gully correct when they say, quote, the holder of such a title has the sole right to give or deny and RMA permission right to any other person proposing a development within the area, and there is no right of appeal or objection against the decision, end quote, when that is exactly what Clause 65 of the bill says? If not, why exactly are Gully in their update wrong?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
Mr. Speaker, and I have the greatest of respect for Gully, where I think possibly they... What's that? Why? Because they're a great firm. But where they possibly went off slightly away from the straight and narrow is where they conflated customary interests with customary title, and they're trying to treat the two the same.
The Honourable Rodney Hyde.
Supplementary, Mr. Speaker, to the Attorney General. Is Gully correct when they say, quote, this is the first time that legislation has been introduced which effectively removes the application of the Resource Management Act to an area, end quote. And if he disagrees with that from Gully, could he please explain to the House why they're wrong, rather than just the explanation that they conflated two concepts?
Just before I call the Minister, I was going to actually point out to him that he doesn't have any responsibility for Gully's statements, but he can, of course, give an opinion on them, which he's already done. If the Minister wishes to repeat it more slowly, he's welcome. The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
No, they're wrong.
Question number 11. The Honourable Nanaia Mahuta.